Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default number of copies that are generated when printing a document out of your Brother printer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by in the top right to large icons, and then select devices and printers on the left side. And then you want to go down and select printers and scanners, and then select your Brother printer from the list here. Select printing preferences. And now at this point, you want to select where it says copies. You can adjust this field to be up to 999 copies, so anything less than that. And then once you've made your selection, you would select apply and OK to save that. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.